Hello, we are
The, the home hoppers, the house hoppers.
when we choose houses, we often look at the areas we've been and we liked before and choose one of those, or we choosing. Gotta start again.
Hello,
Hello,
I'm Colin.
and I'm Karyo, and we're the Househoppers. When we choose places to do house sits, we look at areas we've been before and we liked and we like to visit again, or completely new areas that we have not seen and like to explore. Today it's the latter. We are in the beautiful city of,
Cheltenham.
which is also called Regency Cheltenham because of the architecture, which dates back to the early 1800s. It's characterized by the tall, narrow windows, the arches, and the column. So today we're going to have a look around the city, see what the city has to offer. But before we do that, I would like to ask you to like and subscribe this video if you like it, and also leave us any comments if you've been to Cheltenham and if you like what you see.
As well as being famous for being a spa town, Cheltenham is also really famous as a festival town. It has the most festivals than any other town or city in the UK. Most famous is the Literature Festival, which happens every October. It goes on for 10 days and around about 100,000 people visit during those 10 days. And that's today. We're here at the moment and the festival's happening this week. So we're going to have a little walk around.
The Literature Festival is taking place in the Montpellier Gardens, which is where we are. But this place is also where the other festivals are taking place in Cheltenham. Regardless of that, for the rest of the time, it's a lovely place to come and relax. There's lots of trees and plants and flowers. It's a nice, chilled place where the people of Cheltenham come and spend some time. And you can see now with the autumn colors, it's particularly pretty. We are in the Montpellier District. This is where you can find a line of high-end shops. We are in the Montpellier. We are in the Montpellier Street. We're in the Montpellier. France was never my thing. We are in the Montpellier District, where you can find some high-end shops, and it's quite a glamorous place. It has a bit of a Parisian feel, but also a bit of a Greek feel because of the 34 statues, female statues that you can see behind us. Yes, it's they're called the Caryatids, like in the Acropolis of Athens. Personally, also I can see they try to give a sense of opulence, I feel that they're a little bit over the top and they're a bit out of place here, quite kitsch.
I disagree. I like them. I think they make the place look affluent. I think the of the time. I think they're great. I like them.
A bit of a difference of opinion. What do you think? Let us know in the comments whether you like them or not.
The building that you can see behind me here was the Montpellier Spa, one of the most popular spas here in Cheltenham. The dome that you can see is the area where the entertainment would have taken place in the spa. That would have been grand balls, concerts, just general entertainment events. And the Ivory restaurant that you can see here is now in the place where the original pump room would have been. We just walked through the Imperial Gardens, and the next thing we came to is the Grand Town Hall. Nice building. It was built in 1905.
We are walking down the promenade, which is the place that during the early 1800s aristocracy would wear the best clothes and walk up and down the streets to be seen.
Not exactly what we're wearing today, so hopefully they'll allow us straight into the town. The promenade runs right into the high street, so where we're heading now is where all the main shopping area of the city is.
We are now at the Neptune Fountain. Oh, no,
I thought they said it's an English by mistake.
okay. As you walk down the promenade, you come across the Trevi Fountain. As you walk down the promenade, you come across the Fountain of Neptune.
You can't say it now.
Okay, let's go. It's gonna be. As you walk down the promenade, quite quickly you see to your left-hand side the Neptune Fountain. It is dedicated to the Roman god Neptune, and it's also designed in the same style as Fontana di Trevi in Rome.
You've gone all international. It's the Trevi Fountain. Trevi Fountain.
I say it in Italian. Okay, the Trevi Fountain. Unlike the Trevi Fountain in Rome, where there's thousands of tourists swarming around it and it's difficult to take a picture, here you can take a picture or even film yourself without anybody around. So that's a win. Edward Wilson, the Antarctic explorer, comes from this town, and in his honor, they named the art gallery, which is behind us. The Cheltenham Minster, also known as St. Mary's Church, is the only medieval building remaining in town. It was built in the 14th century, well before the Regency era.
Well, that was quite an eventful end to the day. We just arrived back at Imperial Gardens and an air ambulance helicopter had landed and was just about to take off. We're not sure why or what the event was, but I'm sure it'll be in the news later.
Overall, it's a very nice city, lots to see. It's very walkable. You can walk anywhere, lots of shopping, although we're not really shopping lovers. But lots of museums. It's a very green city. There's lots of trees everywhere. Every street's got trees. It looks really nice now with the colors changing. but every season, I suppose.
Yeah, it's a pretty city. It looks affluent.
Yes.
Most of the shops were busy and full. The architecture is the thing
Yes.
here. It's just amazing.
It's a real draw.
Wherever you look, it's just fabulous, and all really well kept. No decrepit buildings, no buildings that look in need of any repair at all. Even the side streets are all just rows and rows of really nice terrace houses, all painted in pastel colours, non-dirty, none that looks like it needs painting. I've no idea how it works. Who says what colours to paint or who does the painting? No, I've no idea. But every house gets involved somehow.
Yeah.
Maybe we need to look that up. There must be a reason for that.
Yes.
So all in all, another great day out.
It's a great day
Absolutely
out.
fantastic.
We really enjoyed it. Let us know what you think of Cheltenham.
Yeah.
What did you like? Perhaps if there was something you didn't.
We're here for a few weeks, so hopefully we're going to see some more of the
Cotswolds,
some more of the outskirts, some of the small villages, but that will be in weeks to come. Something to look forward to.
Feel free to like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. We need the subscribers. We're trying to grow the channel. It's a hard slog, but we'll keep at it. We hope you enjoyed the content, and we'll see you next time.
See you soon.
Bye.